Alright, road to ultra, longest run yet, 20 miles from my house up into the mountains, over a couple summits, a couple traverses, and then back down again. Should take me about 4 hours. I've prepped, I've carved up yesterday, hydrated, trying these new bottles. We'll see. So far these little things are like little mini velociraptors or snakes trying to bite my face, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to tie them down. Anyway, here we go. Should be a lot easier than, well, harder, but also easier than my depletion run last week because I have lots of food. Brought about 1,000 calories with me. Just gonna eat about 300 calories an hour, plus some extra calories in case I bonk and need a little something else. So, all right, here we go. So this long run, this 4-hour 20 miler, is serving to be a test run of my test run of the 50K. So I'm doing it in the heat of the day. So the hardest part of my 50K will be done midday around noon. I'm doing it fully loaded up. I'm doing it well fueled. Doing it wearing roughly the same kit that I'll be wearing during the 50K in 2 weeks. So hopefully this will shake out a couple things that I can figure out before my shakeout 50K, which is in 2 weeks. Never go into something totally blind if you can help it. Sometimes a leap of faith is needed, but preparation is power. So think ahead to your big goals. Try to figure out what you can do to be best prepared for them, so you have an increased chance of success. Uphill, man. This is a long uphill road run from my house. About 3 miles, and it just climbs the whole time. Whew. Hopefully I hit some trees and some shade, because it's warm out here. All right, 4 miles in, 16 miles left. To the summit, up there. In endurance events, pretty much any distance, you have this metaphor called matches. And your box of matches only has so many in it. And every time you put on the gas and really push it, you strike a match and you burn it out. It's kind of like that old discipline dollar analogy that I like to go to. Anyway, with this big uphill push, I'm burning a couple matches. I need to probably put some of those matches back in the box. I'll walk. You might not be able to see, he has a snake. So these hoses, these little snake mouths, snake heads on the downhills, they keep hitting me in the face. I'm gonna have to use some of my elastic cords to kind of tie them down to the shoulder strap so they stop biting me on the downhills. Up here above Black Ridge Reservoir, doing the reverse. I think it's called the Black Diamond. Follows this trail all the way up and over there. Or on the back side, then just reverse all the way west until I hit the neighborhoods down that hill. Then I turn back around, come back up a ways. Approaching the top of my third to last climb. Climb there, and a long descent down to the neighborhood. Long climb up, and then no more climbs. All downhill from there for the last, 7 miles or so. So 7 or 8. So I should be able to make up some time. Let's see here, I'm at 11 miles. And I'm at 2 hours and 22 minutes. Yeah, I'm about 10 minutes off my pace now. Well, is what it is. I'll be okay regardless. Now I've got to go all the way down there and then back up to the trail for my last climb. Man, downhill. I'm way off pace. I don't even care at this point. Who cares? Life's too short to stress about minutes and seconds sometimes, especially on training runs that the time doesn't really matter. I'm low on fluids. I've kind of stopped sweating, which means I'm pretty dehydrated. I have a little bit of fluid left, so I'm trying to save it for the top of this climb to kind of do one last replenish of sorts before the long 7-mile descent or so. Let's see, less than that. It's like a 5-mile descent. Feeling gassed. 20 miles is a little bit too far for one hydration pack worth of fluids in the summer in desert Utah. I think half marathon is the perfect distance. So 13 miles or so. I'd feel a lot better if I had already drained my bag about 20 minutes ago. All right, let's run. dead. Trying to walk to recover a little bit. 17.5 miles in. Found a bathroom to refill my water because I was pretty low. That's actually a big problem. It's what? Dude, these cars. Good grief. More afraid of cars than I am of rattlesnakes by far. Humans are stupid. Alright. Anyway, I think what's crushing me the most right now is hydration. I'm just dead. I needed to refill my water 6 miles ago. Waiting for the lights. Always simultaneously annoying. And it's something I'm very grateful for because I get a break without feeling guilty. Alright, I made it home. Woo, I'm tired. About 21 miles all total. Yes, I did swing into Maverick. No, they had no burritos. No Moabs. No steak burritos. So, just came home. Sad, had to fill it some other way. Immediately took a bunch of salt tabs, been drinking water, stretching. Tired. Yeah, burned about 3,500 calories, it says. So, anyway, now I gotta shower and go to my brother's house for barbecue. Oh my goodness, hopefully he has a nice comfy chair. Alright, peace out. Road to Ultra, last trial trail run until my test 50K. And then I start the next 3.5 month training block. Yeehaw! Training's the fun part. Whew, gotta keep telling myself that.